Goldman Sachs just released data. 300 million jobs will vanish by 2028, not 2030, not 2035, 2028. That's 4 years away. McKinsey found 44% of white-collar work is automatable today. Today, not tomorrow, right now. OpenAI's new o1 model solved tasks humans needed PhDs for. Legal research took lawyers 8 hours. o1 finished it in 90 seconds. Stanley fired 200 analysts last month. They replaced them with Claude AI. One system, 0 humans. Your job exists on borrowed time. Accounting firms are next. Consulting is falling. Engineering roles are collapsing. Your salary is now competing against software that costs $40 monthly, not $40,000 yearly. $40. That's the pivot point. Your competition isn't your coworker anymore. It's algorithms that never sleep, never negotiate, never ask for raises. Goldman Sachs economists predict 50% displacement by 2028. That's not speculation. That's their official forecast. You're watching the largest labor market shift since industrialization. This is your window to act. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.